Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm really trying to do better with, making more content, making more vlogs, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Today's gonna be pretty much of a chill day. I don't know, I feel so awkward. I don't know what to say right now. So today I will be having a wardrobe being built in my room. Ordered a wardrobe from IKEA and it was actually delivered yesterday. It's called the Brimnes, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's Brimnes Wardrobe. I do have somebody who will be coming in today to build the wardrobe for me because I just don't have the strength or the time. I have time, but I just don't want to do it. But yeah, so I will be showing you guys that. And that's pretty much all I'm doing today. It's around noontime right now. This morning I did some editing on another video, more of like a vlog. Right now I'm gonna go make some breakfast and kind of just clean up this whole area here. So that way when the guy comes in to build up my wardrobe, everything will be out of his way. But let me just show you guys what's going on. Okay, so here is the state of my room right now. I did make my bed. Yeah, this is my room. I kind of moved everything to this side of the room so that way there's more space over here for the guy to work. This is the wardrobe that was delivered. You can see the boxes here. I'm not gonna pan up too high because my address is on there and we don't got time for that. So I just need to clear this area right here, move that box, and get rid of these clothes that's on that chair, and yeah, kind of tidy up a bit. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. I'm gonna have the wardrobe be built right here. I took down these frames. Since the wardrobe is being built, I don't think that it's going to be able to stay there. So I need to find where I'm gonna put these frames. Probably I might put them on this side and take this out because there's a lot going on here. So before I had like a clothing rack on this side of my room with all of my clothes. It was like a whole bunch of shirts and jeans, and it was starting to get really crowded and I didn't like how it was looking. Right here are all of the clothes that I had to remove off of that rack. I have clothes inside this little basket with my jeans, and I kind of just piled up everything here. I do have some clothes that are in this chest, and also I have clothes that are in the closet. Don't really want to show you this disaster right now. I'm just throwing at everything that I see in certain areas. Alright, so I pretty much have everything cleared up and ready for the handyman to come in and build the wardrobe. So it's currently past 1:30 and the handyman doesn't come in till about 3:30. So everything is ready for him to start building. Most likely I'll show you guys when the wardrobe is built and already done. So stay tuned if you want to see. I have a package that just got here from Zara. I had ordered some vests, some gilet vests. I'm planning on doing a haul soon, like a clothing haul, because I ordered a lot of things. I ordered stuff from Princess Polly and Zara. I have an order coming in from ASOS and like some other brands. So yeah, I'm just waiting for everything to come in. until then, I just thought I'd show you guys my order. So I actually tried on, been seeing this recently. Trying to see if I like it or not. Let me actually move you guys this way so you guys can see. This is the first one. This one I'm not too sure about. This is the second one. I actually don't hate it. I mean, obviously I wouldn't wear it with this outfit, but I just wanted to try it on and see. Yeah, I think this will look cool. Just in time for the spring. The wardrobe is finished. The handyman's just left, and I'm gonna show you guys the wardrobe. Here's the wardrobe. I'm gonna show you guys inside. Some space in there. So it's four shelves. Okay, got the cute little mirror. Hello. I have the task of putting all these clothes away. So I'm going to put you guys on a tripod and get started. All right, so here we have 4 sections. In this section, I have my sweatpants. In this section, I have like regular sort of pants. So I have like some cargo joggers in here. I got some leather pants and some like almost slacks or dress pants. It's getting late, so that's why the lighting is pretty trash. Over here, I have my jeans, denim, white, a bit of brown. And then over here, I didn't really know exactly what I was gonna put in here, but for right now, I have a few joggers in here, and then I also have my bucket hats. So I might keep it there and add some other stuff. Then moving on into the main closet. Over here I have some shorts, some tank tops. Then I have all of my black shirts, some t-shirts, long sleeve shirts. Then I have my whites, my t-shirts, little dress shirts, some more t-shirts, some plaid stuff. Then over here I have my sweaters. I have like my blazers, a random shirt. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna keep this, but we'll see. I just kept it there for now. But again, I have my blazers. I have some dresses over here in this section. And then I have my Zara vest right there at the end. At the bottom, I have my little tote bag from Marc Jacobs. I have my Dr. Martens. And then underneath here, I have some random boots. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it there. I might put my yoga mat in here. I'm tired, you guys, but hopefully you guys liked what you saw. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and let me know what other videos you would like for me to make. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Let me do the little exit out thing. Bye.